So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. This car deserves to be shown in its element. On the road, sit back and enjoy this. So, welcome to the Aventador Roadster DMC. Probably the most evil and crazy car you can buy. From the body kit to the Roadster exhaust, madness. So the difference between this car and a normal Aventador, if you can call an Aventador a normal Aventador, it's just modified, customized, you know, it just stands out. It was sent to Artec Auto Design, had the full DMC kit, which is carbon fiber front splitter, ballast, which sticks out quite a lot, carbon fiber side skirts, the full carbon fiber rear diffuser and carbon fiber very large rear wing, similar size to an Aventador XV rear wing. The whole kit bought and fitted was in excess of £40,000, and then there was a £7,000 compressor exhaust put on. Which sounds absolutely mad. But what's good about this car is when you've got the earache and the exhaust has done your head in, you can just press that button and it goes quieter, but still not too quiet. Who wants to drive it in Strada when you can drive it in Sport? So as we all know, on a day-to-day basis, I'm lucky enough to get to drive every car you could possibly imagine, from my Bugatti to an Aventador to a Huracan, a 488 Spider, whatever you want. But this car really creates some look, some head turns. The noise alone, I mean, if the car looked like a Ford Transit Connect with this noise, you'd still look and your mouth would still drop. But the looks, the noise, the fact that when you change gear or down change, 4-foot flames come out the back. It's just a very, very head-turning car. So enough of me talking about the Aventador DMC. Sit back, enjoy the video, turn the volume up, and stay tuned for our next episode of your favourite supercar dealer on SCD TV.